Shiba Inu emergency. You have just 48 hours left. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any Shib tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news? And how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck! But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 8th of April, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,118 units. Shib's price is down 2% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $220 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $6.5 billion, ranking it as the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into today's video. What's happening with Shib during the market crash? The global stock markets majorly tanked on Monday, losing funds worth trillions of dollars in a single trading session. Institutional funds pulled out from the equity markets as Trump's tariffs went live on April 2nd. Dubbed Liberation Day, Bitcoin crashed below the $76,000 mark, and the dip pushed leading cryptocurrencies into the red. Ethereum, Ripple's XRP, Cardano's ADA, Solana, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu fell double digits in the charts in the day's trade. If Shiba Inu gains an extra zero, it would create a major psychological imbalance among the investors' community. The price at the 0.000001 level might put off traders as the downturn signifies the token isn't strong enough to withstand the whiplashes of the markets. The trading volume has already fallen below the $350 million level, signaling no scope for new investments. Shiba is known for high volatility and major price fluctuations, and not everybody can ride the roller coaster of uncertainty. Difficult times lay ahead for Shiba Inu as it has lost every profit it generated for a year. Holding on for the long term could also prove dangerous during market crashes as investors come back to square one. While the upward journey is long and tiresome, the downward journey occurs in a jiffy. It is advised to stay away from Shiba Inu currently as the global economy is experiencing a big change. The best solution is to wait for further crashes and take an entry position during the dips only if you can afford it. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu won't add another zero? Price-making comeback. The price of Shiba Inu has been moving near the psychologically significant 0.000010 level in recent days due to strong selling pressure. Shib is demonstrating unexpected resilience in the face of the market's continuous volatility, remaining stable at around 0.000113 as of press time. This important support zone has historically served as the meme token's lifeline. According to a price chart analysis, Shib has tested this support zone several times in the last 12 months, creating a horizontal baseline that currently acts as the last line of defense before the token's price drops by another zero. Each time this level was reached, it was encouragingly followed by a bounce, suggesting that investors with long-term potential are exerting strong accumulation pressure. What is noteworthy at this time is that Shiba is not only surviving but stabilizing even in the face of significant liquidation events on the larger market and the collapse of multiple altcoins below critical support, indicating the possibility of a rebound if market sentiment keeps improving. The relative strength index has moved into the oversold area. Additionally, the trading volume has begun to decline, which could indicate that the sell-side pressure is abating. Shiba is among the altcoins that are struggling to gain traction as the market is stabilizing following the recent Black Monday sell-off that was brought on by worries about global tariffs. The next significant resistance level for Shib is located at or near 0.000128 and 0.000138. The 50-day moving average, which is presently trading close to 0.000015, may be retested if there is a successful breakout above these levels. Although caution is still necessary, the meme coin may avoid the dreaded scenario of adding another zero if Shib can maintain its position above its critical support and bearish momentum wanes. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Crypto whales buy 874 billion Shib as Shiba Inu price plunges to lowest in 13 months. Whale investors acquire 874 billion Shib amid the dip. Interestingly, large-scale investors, commonly referred to as crypto whales, have taken advantage of the ongoing dip. On-chain data trends show whales have made more Shib purchases than sell-offs in the last 4 days of trading. Into the Block large holder net flow tracks the daily net change in balances of wallets holding at least 0.1% of the total shibatoken supply. This provides real-time insights on the aggregate trading activity from the largest whale investors within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The Shib large holder net flow chart reveals that the aforementioned wallets collectively purchased over 874 billion tokens between April 2nd to April 6th. Notably, this accumulation started just hours after Trump's announced sweeping tariff at the Liberation Day speech on April 2nd, indicating that whales may view geopolitical unrest as a buying opportunity. Considering that large investors often opt for sophisticated cold storage options, a persistent whale buying trend suggests that Shibi's short-term supply on exchange-hosted wallets could be thinning out. This may explain why Shibi price rebounded early to break above the VWAP on Monday, after initially plunging to a 13-day low. At current prices, the 874 billion Shibi whale purchase is valued at approximately $10.4 million. While it's unclear whether the motive is speculative or based on fundamentals like Shibarium development, the move has sparked renewed interest in Shibi across crypto communities.